Introduction of IMAP. Welcome to IMAP, the ideal management and awareness platform where education, innovation, and professional development converge. IMAP, your hub for education skills and IT solutions. At IMAP, we specialize in online tutoring for IGCSE and O/A-levels, skill-based training in graphic design and coding, and professional certifications in communication and teaching. Our comprehensive IT solutions include web development, social media marketing, and business consultancy services, empowering success through global education and skill development. With intensive boot camps for high-demand skills, globally accessible live classes, and recognized certifications, IMAP empowers individuals and businesses to achieve excellence and drive success. Connecting global learners to success, serving students and professionals across Pakistan, the Middle East, the UK, the USA, and beyond. IMAP bridges the gap between potential and achievement, unlocking potential in education, IT, and professional growth. IMAP, your partner in education, IT solutions, and professional growth. Visit us at www.imaptutors.com and unlock your potential today.